Good morning, ninth class. Today in water chapter we will be learning water as a universal solvent. Water is a remarkable solvent. It dissolves many substances and forms aqueous solutions. Not only solids, liquids and gases also get dissolved in it. Because of this property, it is difficult to find some another substance in the world which can dissolve such variety of things, so it is known as universal solvent. No, because of its this property of dissolving solid, liquid, gases of different nature, we do not get pure water in the nature. For the same reason, water is also known as universal solvent. Water has a high dielectric constant. Why? Water is dissolving large number of substances because of its high dielectric constant. It reduces the electrostatic force of attraction between cations and anions. We learned that sodium is cation, chlorine is anion, and they are being held with one another with a strong electrostatic or ionic bond. So when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, this dielectric constant of water breaks or weakens the force of attraction. So substances get dissolved in it. Now, substances can be widely distributed on the property of dissolving in water. Substances which dissolve in water, we call them soluble. Substances apparently insoluble in water, which does not dissolve in water, we call them insoluble. Now, on that property, substances that are apparently insoluble in water actually dissolve in it in very less amount. Even when we put water in a glass vessel, a small amount of this glass from the surface dissolves in it. It is for this reason that when dissolved water is kept in a sealed bottle for the long time, it leaves etching inside the surface of water. Now, to show the property that ordinary tap water contains dissolved salt, we'll make a water bath. In this beaker we'll put water. Directly we are not evaporating this tap water. We are first heating this water and then on it in another vessel or in a dish we are putting the tap water and we are giving it a slow heating. With that, this water will be evaporating, and after some time when all the water is evaporated, we'll see these rings are formed inside this in this beaker or in this dish. So these rings are being formed because of the dissolved salts which are present over there. The watch glass in which this whole thing is being formed gets concentric rings. These are solid matters which are present in the water. Tap water, river water, well water contain dissolved solids, but rainwater and distilled water are the purest form. They do not form rings when they are dissolved. Now, what is the importance of this dissolved water, dissolved salts in the water? Dissolved salt in water are salt, minerals, and impurities. So, salt and minerals are essential for the growth and development of plants and even of animals. They add taste to the water. Even drinking large number of water can overcome the deficiency of the essential minerals which are present in water, which are required by our body. The second thing is that we need to say what another thing is present. Air is dissolved in water. Air is present in dissolved state in all natural sources of water. Of the two main components of air, nitrogen and oxygen is more soluble in water than nitrogen. Since oxygen is more soluble in water compared to nitrogen, composition of air dissolved in water differs from ordinary air. If we see in water, 33% oxygen as compared to 21% in air, and 66% nitrogen and 1% carbon dioxide. Means carbon dioxide is also dissolving to a greater extent. To show that tap water contains dissolved impurities, we will be making this arrangement. We'll fill this round bottom flask with tap water, and then we will be heating this. When we are heating it, through this delivery tube, the air bubbles will be passing on to this side. Now here air is there, it will keep on pushing the water down. We can see that empty area increasing as we are heating it. The graduated tube filled completely with water is inverted, and after heating we'll see that the air will start occupying the place on the upper side. So this vacuum or this place which is pushing the water down is showing that there is some gas present in this water. When it is heated, that gas is expelled. Gas bubbles are seen escaping from the water. They are collected in the graduated tube by downward displacement of water. So what the conclusion is that the remaining gases comes, the gas which is collected over there is coming from the water. So they escape on heating. The volume of gas collected in the graduated tube shows the presence of dissolved gas. Now coming to another, the solubility of a gas is often expressed by the volume of that gas dissolved in certain volume of solvent. Solubility of hydrogen in water is expressed in 0.02 volume. Now that at 0 degree. Now gas dissolved in water can easily be expelled by boiling the water. We had seen in this example. Second thing is that distilled water and boiled water have no taste. The pleasant taste of drinking water is due to the presence of dissolved matter like air, carbon dioxide and minerals. Now if air is dissolved in water, then what is its importance? Marine life like fish use oxygen of the air dissolved in water for respiration. So aquatic life is sustained. Aquatic plant make use of dissolved carbon dioxide for synthesis and produces their own food. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water react with limestone to form calcium carbonate. So marine organisms such as snails, oysters, etc. extract calcium carbonate from calcium bicarbonate to build their shells. So this finishes the first part 3a. So try to do all these questions which are being there. I will be discussing this point number 14. ABCD, first one is done for you. Latent heat of fusion. So solid to liquid when things are coming. Now liquid changing to gas, B, what it will be? Evaporation. And changing of gas to liquid, condensation. And liquid changing to solid, what will call it? Freezing. Okay. And there are a lot of explanation, explain why they have been given to find them, or during your live chats when we are starting online classes. During that, if any problem is there, we will be asking you concerning it. Okay.